As the gentle warmth of spring begins to unfold, there's something truly magical about refreshing your home with Rustic May Day charm. This season invites us to slow down, embrace nature's beauty, and create cozy spaces filled with warmth and nostalgia. In today's video, we'll explore how to bring spring to life through simple, rustic decorating ideas that feel both timeless and inviting. Rustic decor is all about authenticity, natural textures, and a sense of comfort that feels lived in and loved. Think weathered wood, soft linens, and delicate florals arranged with effortless charm. As May Day approaches, it becomes the perfect opportunity to blend these rustic elements with fresh seasonal touches that celebrate renewal, growth, and the joy of springtime living. Start by incorporating natural materials throughout your home. Wooden trays, wicker baskets, and ceramic pitchers instantly add a grounded, earthy feel. These elements create a beautiful foundation for your decor, allowing you to layer in soft greenery and seasonal blooms that bring a breath of fresh air into every room. Flowers play a central role in May Day decorating, especially when styled in a rustic way. Wildflowers, daisies, and tulips arranged loosely in mason jars or vintage vases can transform even the simplest corner. The key is to keep arrangements relaxed and slightly imperfect, capturing the effortless beauty of nature. One of the most charming May Day traditions is the use of small floral baskets. You can recreate this look by hanging mini baskets filled with fresh or faux blooms on doors, windows, or even cabinet knobs. It's a subtle yet delightful way to infuse your home with seasonal cheer and a touch of whimsy. Textiles are another essential element in creating a cozy rustic atmosphere. Swap out heavy winter fabrics for lighter linens and cottons in soft, neutral tones. Add floral patterned cushions or vintage-inspired table runners to bring in that gentle spring aesthetic without overwhelming the space. Lighting also plays a significant role in setting the mood. Soft, warm lighting from candles or string lights can enhance the cozy feeling of your rustic decor. Consider placing candles in glass jars or lanterns to create a warm glow that feels both intimate and welcoming during the evenings. Don't forget to style your dining table with a May Day-inspired setup. A simple wooden table adorned with a linen runner, fresh flowers, and neutral-toned dishware can create a beautiful, inviting space for gatherings. It doesn't have to be elaborate, simplicity is what makes rustic decor so charming. Vintage accents can elevate your decor and add character to your home. Look for antique frames, old books, or distressed metal pieces that tell a story. These items bring depth and personality, making your space feel curated rather than decorated. Bringing the outdoors inside is a key part of spring decorating. Incorporate potted plants, branches, or even herbs in your kitchen and living areas. Not only do they add visual interest, but they also create a fresh, lively atmosphere that reflects the beauty of the season. For a more personalized touch, consider adding handmade or DIY elements to your decor. Simple crafts like hand-painted signs, dried flower arrangements, or fabric garlands can make your space feel unique and heartfelt. These small details often have the biggest impact. Entryways are a wonderful place to showcase your May Day decorating magic. A rustic bench, a woven basket filled with blooms, and a soft throw can create a warm and inviting first impression. It sets the tone for the rest of your home and welcomes guests with seasonal charm. If you have outdoor space, extend your rustic decor to your porch or garden. Wooden crates, galvanized buckets, and outdoor lanterns can create a cozy spring retreat. Add cushions and throws to make it a comfortable spot to relax and enjoy the fresh air. Color palettes for rustic May Day decor should remain soft and natural. Think muted greens, warm creams, soft pinks, and gentle yellows. These colors reflect the season without overpowering the rustic aesthetic, creating a harmonious and calming environment. As you style your home, remember that less is often more. Rustic decor thrives on simplicity and intentional choices. Instead of filling every space, focus on a few meaningful pieces that highlight the beauty of the season and allow your home to breathe. In conclusion, bringing spring to life with rustic May Day decorating magic is all about embracing nature, simplicity, and warmth. By combining natural materials, soft textures, and seasonal blooms, you can create a home that feels both cozy and refreshed. Let this be your inspiration to celebrate the season and transform your space into a peaceful springtime haven.